Don't record me. Are you recording?
Yeah. You can't see you, baby, just your chest hair. And your lips. Because that's too funny. Lila, you love Daddy? You love TV more? She biting you?
She can't get in her skin.
She's the demon baby who loves to bite and suck on her own hands.
Well, her hands are really chunky, so I can't see where she be going with that. Look how chunky the hands are. It's a
I know.
chunk on them.
It's like the sausages.
I'm sorry, I touched your hand.